All to use, past to future. Today we are going to take the opportunity of the Universiade to explore a university in Chengdu that has cultivated batches of talents for the transportation industry of our country. Southwest Jiaotong University.
Southwest Jiaotong University, the first engineering university in China, was founded in 1896. In the last 127 years, Southwest Jiaotong University has always been adhering to the historical mission of instilling culture and advocating transportation, and also carrying forward the spirit of promoting China and self-improvement of Jiaotong University. As a result, it cultivated and brought up many pillars of excellence for the country, who created more than 100 first places in China and even in the world in many important fields, and made outstanding contributions to the country's modernization, especially the development of rail transit and high-speed rail.
We are here at the History Museum of Southwest Jiaotong University, which records the long history of this century-old school and carries its profound cultural heritage. Now, let's go inside and have a look.
The School History Hall of Southwest Jiaotong University was officially opened on May 13, 2016. The entire hall covers an area of 4,200 square meters and consists of two parts, a conventional exhibition hall and a motorized exhibition hall. The museum has a rich collection of exhibits with over 200 items on display and over 500 items to be exhibited.
So we have seen a lot of amazing treasure in this museum. So which one is the most precious one?
Let me show you the most precious treasure in our University History Museum.
Okay, I can't wait to see.
This way, please. This diploma is in 1900, and it is also the earliest graduation certificate in mainland China. The owner of this diploma, called Zhang Xiaoji, donated it to our university archives in 1960s. On the top of it, you can find our university's earliest English name, Imperial Chinese Railway College. And in the middle, you can find all the curriculum which he has studied in the university. And at last, there is a sentence that Mr. Zhang Xiaoji passed through all the above course, and in the final examination was 20 in his class. So the Jiandu of our university, who is equivalent to the current principal, signed his name and stamped here to issue this diploma.
Among the exhibits are the transcripts of the class, where the full academicians in one class in 1933, and the film of setting up a railway school played by Wang Wenshao, the governor of Viceroy of Zhili and minister of Beiyang in 1896, which was written by Emperor Guangxu in Qing Dynasty, are also displayed in the museum.
说起西南交通大学的历史起点，必须追溯到19世纪末，它是中国工程教育的第一所高等学府。校史馆里面的交大力量墙展示的是我校师生在多个领域创造的中国第一和世界第一。我校翟婉民教授因在高速轨道交通网设计和运营方面的科技贡献，入选了美国国家工程院院士，这也是轨道交通领域美国工程院唯一的外籍院士。
The Locomotive Museum is one of the most representative and distinctive landscapes of Southwest Jiaotong University. It is also the first university motorcycle museum in China and one of the first member units of the China Museum Alliance. At the top of the north-south cultural axis of the Xipu campus, it connects the Sishi Yanghua Wall and the group of statues of sages, the School History Museum, and the library, making it the first stop for cultural promotion at Jiaotong University.
次大运会，西南交通大学共组织志愿者467名，然后主要负责的范围包括开幕式、大运村，还有这个排球场馆中心。然后我们对志愿者进行了系统的培训，培训的内容涵盖习近平中国特色社会主义思想、中国传统文化、志愿服务，还有外交礼仪等相关的内容。
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Mukhtar from Sudan. Since I came to Chengdu, I found it very welcoming for sports activities with a very good facilities, and the atmosphere for sports is amazing.
I have been in Chengdu for 3 years now. This is really a great city, a great place. I am a student in Southwest Jiaotong University. I'm just completing my master's degree. Really has been a good experience about the laboratories, the professors, the facilities. The technology of this country is amazing. About Chengdu, this is an amazing place for enjoy diversity of spicy food.
Chengdu makes dream come true.
Chengdu makes dreams come true.
Chengdu makes dreams come true.
Welcome to Southwest Jiaotong University.
Welcome to Southwest Jiaotong University.
Jiao, Chengdu.
Chengdu makes dreams come true. Welcome to Southwest Jiaotong University.